Good morning, students. Today we will go for exercise 5.2 class 10. So not 5.2, 5.3. Okay, exercise 5.3 class 10. Here we will discuss about the sum of n terms of an AP. In the previous exercise we have gone through general term of an AP. So general term of an AP formula is A plus n minus 1 into D, where A represents first term, D is the common difference and n is the number of terms. Here in this section we will find out the sum of first n terms of an AP. AP means arithmetic progression. So the formula proof is important, but formula proof we will do in our regular classes. I will just say about the formula to find out the sum of n terms of an AP. So this is exercise 5.3. 5.3. So what is the formula to find out the sum of n terms of an AP? Sum of n terms of an AP, in short you can write Sn. Okay, this is sum of n terms of an AP. The formula is n by 2 twice A plus n minus 1 into D, and other is Sn equal to n by 2 A plus L. Here L represent the last term. So these are the two formulas by which you can find out the sum of n terms of an AP. Okay, so here AP will be given to you and you have to find out the sum of n terms. If I discuss example 11, okay, I will go for the exercise. Example 11, you see they have mentioned find the sum of example 11. Okay, example 11 they have said find the sum of first 22 terms of the AP. You have to find out the sum of first 22 terms, means n value is 22 of the AP. The AP is given here 8, 3, minus 2. When we say given sequence is an AP, when the common difference is same. And how do we find out the common difference? Second term minus first term. So this is the AP given and you have to find out the sum of first n terms. So in this AP, your A is your 8, D second term minus first term, so it is minus 5, and you have to find out the sum of how many terms? 22 terms. So n value is 22. N value is 22. Here of these two formulas which I will use the first one, because in this sequence you don't know the last term. When you know the last term of a given sequence, at that time you can use the second one. Okay, otherwise the first one, you will switch to first one. Okay, I will write the formula now. So general formula is what I am writing here only. General formula is Sn equal to n by 2, it is twice A plus n minus 1 into D. I have to find the sum of 22 terms. In place of n you will write 22. So equal to 22 by 2, so it is 2A, your A is 8, plus 22 minus 1 and your D is minus 5. Okay, so here you got 11, inside you got 16 plus 22 minus 1 is 21, 21 into minus 5. So you got 11, 16 minus 105. So 11 into 16 minus 105. 16 minus 105, you will get minus 89. If you multiply it, you will get answer minus 979. Take the screenshot of this part. Take the screenshot. Okay, so this is how you will find out the sum of n terms of an AP. So I was discussing example 11. Now I will go straight to the exercise. Okay, now exercise 5.3, if to by heart these two formulas properly, you should not keep it for later. Okay, so Question number 1, Roman 1 and Roman 4, I will do it now. Roman 2 and Roman 3 will be your homework. So Roman 1, question number 1, what did they say? Find the sum of the following AP. So you have to find out the sum. They have given the AP. Roman 1, what they have said? 2, 7, 12, 10 terms. That means you have to find out the sum up to 10 terms. Okay? You have to find out the sum up to 10 terms. So I will go for the question number 1, Roman 1. So it is 2, 7, 12, to 10 terms. So when you speak of this, so this is an AP. They have mentioned here it is an AP. You don't have to check it whether it is AP or not. Still, I am just saying about the concept. 7 minus 2, 5, 12 minus 7, 5. Common difference is same here, so it is an AP. So I will just first mention what is my A. My A is 2, D is my second minus first 5. You have to find the sum up to 10 terms, so N is your 10. So since you don't know the last term, you have to use the first formula, Sn equal to n by 2 twice A plus n minus 1 into D. You have to find the sum of 10 terms, so in place of n it will be 10, so it is 10 by 2. Your given sequence first term is 2, here it is 10 minus 1 and your D is 5. If you cancel it, it will become 5, inside you got 4, here 10 minus 1, 9, 9 minus 5, 45. 9 in, not minus 5, 9 into 5, 45. So it is 5 into 49. So 5 9 is 45, 4 carry 245. So take the screenshot. Take the screenshot of this exercise 5.3, question number 1, Roman 1, 245. Take the screenshot. Okay, clear? So it is 245. Okay, 245. Clear? Now Roman number 4, 1 Roman 4. So 1 Roman 4, what did they say? 1 by 15, 1 by 12 and 1 by 10 to 11 terms. Okay, let me mention, some of the student has given their doubts. Okay, I will discuss the doubt, don't worry. Okay, let me finish exercise 5.3 and I will find a class for doubt section and I will discuss all the doubts which we have given me. Okay, you don't have to worry, you just continue with the class, your doubts will be cleared in your own time. Okay, so you don't worry about the doubts, every doubts will be explained. Okay, so 1 Roman 4, 1 Roman 4, if you go, it is 1 by 15, okay, 1 by 12, 1 by 10. Okay, you have to find out up to 11 terms. You have to find out the sum up to 11 terms. So this is an AP. AP means arithmetic progression. In short, we write A dot P in capital. So A equal to 1 by 15. If I speak of D, second minus first, 12 and 15 you can take LCM as 60. 12 5 just 60 and 15 4 just 60, so it is 1 by 60. N is your, I'm writing it here, N is your 11. You have to find out sum up to 11 terms. So let me write the general one formula, N by 2 twice A plus N minus 1 into D. So this implies S11. So in place of N you will write 11, 2 into, your A is how much? Put the value of A, it is 1 by 15, N is your 11, 11 minus 1 and your D is 1 by 60. You can't cancel it here because 11 will not be cancelled. 2 into 1 by 15 means 2 by 15. 2 into 15 is 2 by 15 plus 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 into 1 by 60, 10 by 60. Take the screenshot, I will rub the upper part. Okay, next it is 11 by 12, sorry not 12, 11 by 2. Then you got here 2 by 15 and 10 by 60. To take LCM, I can cancel it here 1 by 6. Okay, I am not cancel, I will do later. 60, 15 4 ja, so 4 2 ja 8, and here it is 10 only. So what did you get here? You got here 11 by 2 into 18 by 60. Now I will cancel it. 3 ja, more it will not cancel, so it is 33 by 20. Take the screenshot. Take the screenshot of this. Okay, so this is Roman 4. Question number 1, Roman 4. Okay, now we will go for question number 2. So question number 2, what did they say? Find the sums given below. You need to find out the sum given below. So it is 2 Roman 1. To find out the sum, the sequence here, not sequence, is series, because the terms are connected by plus. When in an AP sequence the terms are connected by plus, it will be an AP series. So I have to find out the sum of this AP series. 10 and half plus 14 plus dot 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 plus 84. So here I can go for the second formula, because first term you know 7 and the last term is 84. But here the problem is you don't know if to find the sum of how many terms, because how many terms means what? In this series how many terms are there you don't know, because after 14 plus and dot dot, in between this dot dot how many terms are there you can't say. So first you have to find out the value of n, how many terms are there in this AP series. Okay, keep it in mind, I am saying series not sequence, because terms are connected by plus. So I have to first find out how many terms are there in this given series. So here first term you know, last term you can denote by L also, or you can write as nth term an. So let me write here first a equal to 7, d equal to 10 and half minus 7. So it is 21 by 2 minus 7. If you take LCM, it is 21 minus 14, so it is 7 by 2. Got it? 21 minus 14, 7 by 2. So you got A and D, and this is your last term an. An equal to 84. You can write as L also. So nth term formula we know, we got in the last exercise, a plus n minus 1 into d. By applying that formula I will get the value of n. After that I will find out the sum. So an formula is a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 84. So when it is a, it is 7 plus n minus 1, your d is 7 by 2 equal to 84. 7 by 2. So please take the screenshot, because I have to rub the upper part. Okay, now I will take this plus 7 on the other side. Plus 7, when it will shift on the right hand side, it will become minus. Okay, so this implies you can multiply this to n into 7 by 2, it is 7n by 2, minus 7 into minus 1, minus 7 by 2, and this 7 I have taken on the other side, 84 minus 7. So it is 7n by 2 equal to 84 minus 7, 77. Okay, 77 plus 7 by 2. So here it is 7n by 2 equal to 2, you can take as LCM. So here you will get 154. Okay, plus 7. To make it short, I can cut this 2. If you want to cut, you can cut, or you can do cross multiply also. Next step I will cut it. Okay, 7n by 2. So it is 2, 7, 4, 11, 161. This 2 I have cancelled. So it is 7n equal to 161. N equal to 161 by 7. I'll rub this part. So if you cancel it, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja. So your n is your 23 here. Take the screenshot. Okay. Clear? Okay. Now see, till now my sum is not over. Now I have to find out my final part, the one which they have said in question. I have to find out the sum. So I have said earlier, here you can use the shortcut one, n by 2 a plus l, because last term you know. So Sn equal to Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l. What is your n? N is my 23 here. So it is 23 by 2. What was my a? My a is 7 and my l is 84. So I will go for the calculation now. So it is 23 by 2. Here it is 7 4 11. 7 4 11 1 carry 9. So let me multiply now. 23 into 91, you will get 2093 divided by 2. If you divide it, 2 1 2, 0, 2 4 8, 2 6 12, 1046 and half. Okay, so take the screenshot. Take the screenshot. Okay, clear? Now you can automatically do Roman number 2 and Roman number 3. So 2 Roman 2 and Roman 3, same process. First you will find out the value of n by using the formula for general term of an AP. Then you will find out sum by using the shortcut, and you can go for the long formula also, because both will give the same result. Okay, it is not mandatory that since last term you know if you use this formula only particular, you can go for the first formula also. Sn equal to n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. It is your choice. You can use any of them. So this is question number 1 and question number 2. Now we will go for question number 3. So question number 3, if anyone have the clear concept, means after doing the sums, if your concept is clear, then rest of the sum of the exercise you can automatically do it. So question number 3, you follow it in a proper way. Okay. So in question number 3, in an AP, heading only they have said AP. A is given your 5, D given, AN given, means nth term is given. You have to find out N and Sn. So 3 Roman 1, your A is your 5, D is your 3, and AN is your what? 50. So I will follow the same rule which I have applied in question number 2. So they have mentioned here find n. So n you know, you can easily find out n by using the formula for general term of an AP series or AP sequence. So an is a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 50. So a is your 5, n you don't know, d is your 3, so it is 50 plus 5. I will shift on the other side, and this part you multiply it. 3n minus 3, and here it is 50 minus 5. So it is 3n minus 3, it is 45. So 3n equal to 45 plus 3. So it is 3n equal to 48. And the last line, n equal to 48 by 3, 3 1 3 60. So take the screenshot. So here is your n. Okay. Now what you have to find out? You have to find out Sn. So Sn equal to, you can use the shortcut formula or the long one. Okay. Because nth term you know, last term you know, an here is last term. So your n is 16 here. So you can write here S16 equal to 16 by 2. Your A is 5 and your L is 50. So I am adding it here, 8 into 55. 8 5 is 40, 4 carry, it is 440. Okay, so it is 440. Take the screenshot. Take the screenshot of this part. Okay, take the screenshot. Now 3 Roman 2. 3 Roman 2. 3 Roman 2, what did they say? A is 7 given here. Your A is your 7, A 13 given is 13 term. You have to find out D and S 13. So Roman number 2, when you come, your A equal to 7, your A 13 equal to 35. You have to find out D and S 13. So I will start with this. A 13 means An is A plus n minus 1 into D. So when it is A 13, it will be A plus 13 minus 1 into D. So A plus 13 minus 1 into D equal to 35. What is my A here? 7, 12 minus 13 minus 1 is 12. It is 35. 7 I will shift on the other side. So it is 35 minus 7. So it is 12D equal to 15 minus 7, it is 8, it is 28. So your D is 28 by 12. If you cancel it, 2 1 ja 2, 14 by 6, 2 3 ja 7 ja. So it is 7 by 3. You can directly do by 4, okay? 7 by 3. So this is your D. Okay? You got D. Now to find out what? S13. So Sn, let me write first. Next step I put the values n by 2 twice A plus n minus 1 into D. I have to find out S13. So it is 13 by 2 2A. A is my 7. So it is 13 minus 1 and D is my 7 by 3. Take the screenshot. I will rub the upper part. Take the screenshot of this. Okay, taken. Take the screenshot. So here it is how much? 13 by 2. 2 7 ja 14 plus 13 minus 1, it is 12 into 7 by 3. I am giving here into a, let me cancel it, 3 4 ja 12. So it is 13 by 2, 14 plus 4 7 ja 28. So 13 by 2 into 8 4 12, 2 1 3 4. So let me cancel it, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. So it is 13 into 21. 13 into 21, it is 273. So this is your final answer. So you got D value also and S13 also, 273. Take the screenshot. Okay, taken. Next, Roman number 3. So when you go for Roman number 3, let me see what did they say. A12 given and D given. You to find out A and S12. Same way, in the previous case, D was not given and here A is not given. So A12 37, Roman number 3. A12 is given 37 and your D value given here 3. So I will start with the same here, just like the previous one. A12 is A plus 12 minus 1 into D. So A plus 12 minus 1 into D equal to 37. So A plus 12 minus 1 is 11 and your D value is 3 equal to 37. You can write here D value, okay? So it is here how much? A plus 33 equal to 37. So it is A equal to 37 minus 33. So it is 4 here. Okay? So got the value of A. Now what I have to find out? I have to find out S12. So A12 you know, and you need to find out S12 is sum up to 12 terms. And 12 term position what is there? 37. So let me use the big formula only. So Sn equal to it is what? N by 2 twice A plus n minus 1 into d. If to find out S12, so in place of n you put 12. Your A is how much here? 4. N is your 12 minus 1 and D is your 3. So you can cancel it here. It is 6. 2 4 ja 8. 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 into 3 is 33. So take the screenshot. Take the screenshot of this part. Take the screenshot. So 8 plus 33. I will do the further calculation now. So here it is 6. 6 into, why into? Because between 6 and bracket no sign. Into it is 41. So it is 6 1 ja 6. 6 4 ja 24. So it is 246. 246. Okay. Take the screenshot of this. Next, Roman number 4. Roman number 4. Roman number 4, they have given the value of A3 and S10 if to find out D and A10. So A3 given and S10. So Roman number 4, A3 is your how much? 15 and S10 is your 125. So A3 means A plus 3 minus 1 into D. So you got A plus 2D equal to 15. You can give as equation 1. And when you come for S10, it is general formula is n by 2 twice A plus n minus 1 into D. So it will be 10 by 2. It is twice A plus 10 minus 1 into D equal to 125. If you cancel it, it will be 5. Here it is twice A plus 9D equal to 125. If you multiply it, it is 10A and it is 45D equal to 125. Okay. So you can do one thing. Let me find out the value of A here and substitute here. Okay. So A equal to how much I got here? 15 minus 2D. So I will put the value of A in this section. I am writing this section here. It is 10A plus 45D equal to 125. So it is 10. In place of A, what you can substitute? 15 minus 2D plus 45D equal to 125. So you can write here using 1. So let me multiply. It is 150 minus 20D plus 45D 125. So 150 will shift here, minus 20 plus 45 it is 25D. Before bigger number plus, so it is plus, and 125 minus 150. So it is what? 25D minus 25. So your D value is minus 25 by 25. So it is minus 1. Your D is minus 1. So take the screenshot. Your D is minus 1. Take the screenshot and okay. You can give star mark also to this sum. So D value you got. Now I will find out A value by putting the value of D in equation 1. I will rub the upper part. Now my next statement will be putting D equal to minus 1 in equation 1. What is my equation 1? A equal to 15 minus 2D. 15 minus 2D. So here it is 15 minus 2 into minus 1. So it is 15 plus 2, it is 70. So you got A and D value. Now I will find out the value of what? A10. So AN is how much? A plus n minus 1 into D. When you do the sum, say the formula also in mind. Okay, verbally you say the formula. Okay, that time you don't have to take much trouble to by heart it. So A10 is A plus 10 minus 1 into D. Your A is 17 10 minus 1 is 9 and your D is minus 1. So it is 17 minus 9. It will be how much? 17 minus 9, it is 8. Okay, clear? So you got the value of A10. Now you can take the final screenshot. Clear? Next we will go for question number 5. So question number 5, what did they say? Question number 5, they have said D value and S9. D and S9 is given. Okay, D5, question number 5, D equal to 5 and S9 how much given? 75. S9 equal to 75. So I will start with this. So when it is Sn, it is n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into D. When it is S9, I will start from here. It is 9 by 2, it is twice a plus 9 minus 1 into D equal to 75. So it is 9, okay, don't consider it as A. It is 9 by 2, it is twice A. 9 minus 1 is how much? 8. 8 into, and D value is your 5. So your next step will be between 9 by 2 and bracket there is no sign, it is into will go the other side, become divide. So it is twice a plus 40 equal to 75. 2 will shift in the numerator and 9 here. You can do cancellation of this part by 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, 3 5 is. So you got here how much? Twice a plus 40 equal to 50 by 3. Now you shift the 40 on the other side. So it is 50 by 3 minus 40. So it is twice a equal to solve this, if to take LCM, it is 120. So it will be 70 by 3. So A equal to final, I am writing it here, A equal to minus 70 by 3 and 2 will shift here to 35 here. So it is minus 35 by 3. So take the screenshot, minus 35 by 3. So this is the value of A. The sum is not done till now. Okay, take the screenshot. So you got the value of A as minus 35 by 3. Okay, twice A equal to, let me do one thing, let me write here one step. So this implies twice A equal to minus 70 by 3. Okay, then A equal to 2 will shift. Clear? Now next what I have to find out? I have to find out A9. A9, the last part. Now A9. So An is A plus n minus 1 into D. A9 is A plus 9 minus 1 into D. So it is A plus 9 minus 1 into D. Your A is how much? Minus 35 by 3. 9 minus 1 is 8. And your D is how much given? Here 5. So same case here, if you take LCM, 3. So minus 35, 8 5 is 40 into 3. 40 into 3. So 40 into 3 is 120. So minus 35 plus 120 by 3. So here it is 3, 10 minus 5, 5, 11 minus 3, it is 85. 85 by 3. Okay, take the screenshot. This is the final part. 85 by 3. Okay, clear? Now we will go for question number 6. So 6, what did they say? 6, they have said the value of A equal to 2. A equal to 2. D equal to 8. Okay, Sn given 90. So Sn equal to 90. So whenever An is given, we start from An, here Sn. So Sn you will use. So Sn is n by 2 it is twice a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 90. So n by 2, your a value is 2, 2 2 is 4, n minus 1, d is your 8, it is 90. You can do one thing, you can take 2 common from here. So if I take 2 common from inside, here will be left 1 2, and here it is n minus 1. You have taken common, so it will be 4. Reason I will say why did I take common, so that I can cancel this and this 2. Okay, 4, and here it will be 4. So 2 you have taken common, so it will become 2, and 8 will become 4. So 2 2 cancel, so it is n. So it is 2 plus 4n minus 4 equal to 90. So next you can multiply n into 2 twice n, 4n into n, 4n square minus 4n minus 90 equal to 0. Take the screenshot. Okay. So what you can do now? You will arrange it as per degree. So 4n square plus 2n minus 4n minus twice n minus 90 equal to 0. The complete equation you can divide by 2. So it is 2n square minus n 45 equal to 0. 245 to 90. You can go for quadratic formula also, because here highest power is 2. Whenever the highest power is 2, you can automatically use quadratic formula. Okay, you will find the value of the variable n here. I will go for middle term. So it is 245 to 90. 90 factors if I find out, it is 245, 5 9 ja. I have to do minus, I have to bring 1. So 10 minus 9. 10 minus 9. It is minus 45, 0. So it is 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 equal to 0. For the first 2 common, the last 2 common. So it is twice n, it is n minus 5. Here 9 common, n minus 5 equal to 0. So n minus 5 twice n plus 9 equal to 0. So either or n minus 5 equal to 0, twice n plus 9 equal to 0. So it is n equal to 5, and here it is twice n equal to minus 9, n equal to minus 9 by 2. Okay, if you remember, in exercise 5.2 I have said n value cannot be negative as well as fraction. Here both only is there, so negative also is there, fraction also is there. So it is discarded. You will use the word discarded, discarded, or not possible also you can write. So n value cannot be negative and fraction. Here both only is here. So n value 5. So this is your acceptable value. Got n? So take the screenshot. Okay, n value 5. After that, what you have to find out? You have to find out an. Now an. So it is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here your a was how much? Your a was 2. N value is your 5 minus 1, and your d value is how much here? 8. So it is 2 plus 4 8 are 32. So your final answer is 34. 34. So this is your final part. Take the screenshot. Okay. Take the screenshot. Clear? Okay. 7 number. A value given, an given, sn given. If you find out n and d. 7 number matches with question number 4. So 7 number you take as homework. 3 Roman 7 take as homework. Then 8 number. 8 number also you can take homework. 7 and 8 you take as homework. 7 and 8 is your homework. Now I will go for question number 9, Roman 9. Okay, 3 Roman 9. 3 Roman 9, what did they say? 3 Roman 9, it will be A equal to 3, N equal to 8, and your S equal to 192. So S equal to N value given here. So S and formula is what? N by 2 twice A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. So let me do one thing. Let me start from here. Okay. Otherwise you will get again confused. 192. S formula is what? N by 2 twice A plus N minus 1 into D equal to 192. What is the value of N here? It is 8 by 2. 2 into 3, N is 8 minus 1. D you have to find out. You can cancel it. It will become 4. 2 3 just 6. 8 minus 1 7. 7D equal to 192. Multiply it. 4 6 jar 24. 4 7 jar 28. 192. So it is 28. D equal to 192 minus 24. So it is 28. D equal to 12 minus 4 8. 7 minus 2 5. It is 158. Let me write it here. D equal to 158 by 28. If you cancel it, 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 7 ja 14, 2 9 ja 18. More you can cancel. 79 by 14. Let me check the answer. Question number 9. What is the mistake I have done here? 2 3 ja 6, 7D, 4 6 ja 24, 4 7 28, 28, 192 minus 24. I think I have done wrong. 192 minus 24, it will be 168. 168. So it is 168 by 24. So 168, so not 24, 28. So 168 divided by 28, it will be 6. So this is your final answer. Take the screenshot. Okay, taken. 6 plus. Okay, now Roman number 10. Roman 10, what did they say? L value given. L means last term, means nth term. Your L is 28 here, and your S is 144. 144. Total number of terms n given. N is 9. So I will start with this. You have to find out A. So as you know, S is 144. S shortcut formula is what? N by 2 A plus L equal to 144. So your N is here 9. A is not known to you. It is 28. It is 144. 9 by 2 will go on the other side. It will become divide. So if you divide it, 2 will shift up and 9. 144 you can easily divide by 9. It will be 16. 9 16 ja. So it is A plus 28 equal to 32. A equal to 32 minus 28. So it is 4. Okay. Yes. So this is the value of A. Take the screenshot. Take the screenshot. Okay. So this is 4. So we'll end here today. This session will end here. You will note all this in your copy. Okay. And if you have any problem, then just pass your comment in the comment section. I will send the link in the respective group. Still, it will be better you can subscribe also the channel. Okay, you subscribe the channel, then automatically you will get whenever I upload. What happened actually, now the workload is lot, I have to see the office and everything. So you will do one thing, you do subscription of this channel, so whenever I'll upload any video in YouTube, at that time automatically you will get a notification. Okay, so till today this much only. Thank you, bye, stay home and keep learning.